What's going on YouTube? Welcome to my channel, the 10K Property Report. I am Kay, and today we're going to talk about how I found Geodome kits for under $10,000 used for, or you can use them for Airbnb. Okay, without further ado, let's get it started. Now, I did mention Airbnb in my title, and I'll kind of go over an Airbnb listing. However, you can actually live in these yourself. So don't just exclude yourself if you wanted to use this as your primary residence. However, for Airbnb play, there's money to be made, okay? But first, let me show you where exactly to find these Geodome or Geodesic domes for under $10,000. So this is a company in Florida, and you can check them out. Always do your due diligence on any website that I provide to you, or any pricing or anything. You go behind me. That's your responsibility to go behind me and figure out, everything, right? Look at reviews, look at everything. However, this company is called Dome Spaces. So if you go to domespaces.com, it's right here, domespaces.com, you will pull up the company that I'm referring to. Now, the cool thing about this particular company is that they do provide financing, which is pretty cool. Okay. So for those of you not familiar with a geodesic dome, let's check out exactly what it looks like. So before I give you the prices, I wanted to go to an Airbnb listing to show you what a geodesic home looks like. Okay. So Geodome. All right. And this particular Geodome is being it's up on Airbnb for about $327 a night. This is random. I just randomly selected a Geodome. This is in Texas, so that you can see the possibility, and also you can kind of get the idea of how this can make you or generate you income. Okay, so this is the first picture. This looks like, and geodomes are circular. Okay, so keep that in mind when you're thinking about the structure. Everything is pretty much open space, floor plan. However, you can, and I've seen folks actually put up walls within a geodesic dome and kind of go from there. Okay, so if you like the open space, which I like, it's my preference, right? I think it's pretty cool. You can see everything. But if you don't like that and you want some separation, you can provide that as well. Now, this will be used for a glamping type situation, right? So for those who love the outdoors, is how I will position it, right? And this particular Airbnb is doing just that. Again, right now, and of course on Airbnb, we've hosted on Airbnb as well, so we know a lot about Airbnb. Of course, the price will decrease and increase depending on season, so a seasonality, right? So summer's coming up, right? A lot of events happening. A lot of folks want to just get away and find an escape, and this could provide it. Now, as you can see, this is a kitchen area, right? So yes, the plumbing, all that goes into it. Now, you would need to understand and really make sure that you provide the utilities, or they are provided, or not allowed, but you can configure that on your land. Okay. Speaking of land, you would need your own land in order to do this, right? So you're creating or building the structure on your own land and kind of going from there. So utilities, plumbing, the type of zoning for the land does matter. Now, if you're very creative, you can do tons of different things with this particular property. However, for those who may be beginners, you may want to look at unrestricted land. I did do a video on this channel about unrestricted land a couple of days ago. I'll link it in the description so you can check it out. But unrestricted land would provide you an opportunity, with further due diligence, to place this Geodome on your property. I love that bed, the floating bed. That's dope. With the lights around it, super cool, right? So you get the idea. It's a dome, all right? Literally, it's a dome. They have a door, everything. And from the website that I'm about to go back to in just a second, they do discuss some frequently asked questions about delivery and all that stuff. And they do ship, from what I read, worldwide. Now, I like this because it's like a mini split. So it allows, AC, because this, Geodome, you want it to be cool for your guests. Although it's a glamping situation, you want to make sure that you have that on site for sure. And it's in Texas too, so it's going to get hot. All right. So this is, my opinion, very cool. Right? It's very beautiful, and you get the point. $327 a night. The possibilities are there. Now you're saying K. What in the world is the cost for this? Right? Tell me the cost, Kay. So here we go. Let's check out the cost. We're going back to the website that we were at, which is called Dome Spaces. Let's look at pricing. So again, as I mentioned earlier, they do provide financing, and you may not need that because the prices are fairly affordable, but that's subjective. That's what I'm saying. Worldwide shipping, assembly, and maintenance. Domes are designed for easy assembly. So for those folks like me who don't have the skills to construct these things from, ground up, they're saying that the assembly is very easy. Sizing, domes can vary in size by diameter between 3 meters to 50 meters. Okay, cool. Let's scroll down and check out everything. So this is the sale price, and it tells you the square feet. I'm not sure what the Airbnb that I just showed you, what the square footage of that was. However, for 136 square feet, this one is selling for $4,600. Of course, as the square footage increases, the price will increase. For 212 square feet, $6,500. It continues on. 305 square feet, $8,100. 415 square feet, $9,300 pretty much, $9,350. And then it increases, okay? And you have some add-ons I see here. So framing, $975, different things. If you want, I'm assuming a bigger Geodome, the price will increase. These are all under, not all of them, but a lot of them are under $10,000. Now, as I mentioned, some of the costs that are not associated with that, as I mentioned earlier, utilities, land. If you have your own land, you are halfway there pretty much, right? Plumbing. Okay, here's some more. DSPC domes. Okay. And PVC. Good. Okay. So with wood frame, this is the variation. I'm trying to figure out what is the difference. So the wood frame here costs a little bit more, right, for a more stable structure, which is still affordable, right? It's still under a certain price, so you can get into the market, especially when you're seeing, this is just an example, when you're seeing an Airbnb host place for one night, place this Geodome for $327 a night at the time of my example of just randomly picking a date just to see how much they're charging per night. Guys, this is an investor play. This is an opportunity for you to make a lot of extra income. We did Airbnb for a couple of years. We liked it. We like more of the midterm renter market. So, but Airbnb is definitely, of course, a heavy hitter and something you may want to consider if you're trying to make some extra money or just make this your primary business. Okay, so keep that in mind. Thank you so very much for making it this far in the video. If you made it this far, make sure in the comment section you put 10K. It allows me to know you made it this far in the video, and I truly do appreciate it. Make sure you also subscribe to the 10K Property Report newsletters, free 99, free opportunities each and every week will be sent to you via your email. Okay. Until next time, guys, you stay blessed. Peace.